Hi everyone, this is Dina. I recently got my hands on the Fire-Boltt Invincible smartwatch a few days ago. Let me tell you more about it. Inside the box, you will find a smartwatch, a user manual, a magnetic charger, and a warranty card. The watch has 1.39 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 356 by 356. The visuals featured are sharp and crisp. The quick access dial pad also has an inbuilt speaker and a mic, thus you can receive or make calls directly from the watch. Along with that, the watch also has an 8 GB of internal storage which can be utilized to store about 1,500 songs. This watch features a number of health trackers such as SpO2 monitor, a sleep monitor, BP monitor and a heart rate tracker. Also, there are more than 100 sports modes and 100 inbuilt watch faces. Its amazing battery ensures that the watch stays powered for more than 7 days on a single charge. It also happens to be IP67 water resistant, hence you can use the watch during heavy workouts and sweaty runs and the gym sessions. The watch is available in multiple color variants such as black, brown, leather, navy, so you can choose one according to your preference. The Fire-Boltt Invincible smartwatch is loaded with a lot of features and has a powerful battery.